Problem number 9. Supreme Constructions engaged in contract. The following is the trial balance as on 31st December 2003. 31st December 2003. Share capital, shares of rupees 10 each, 70,360. Profit and loss account at the beginning 5,000. Provision for depreciation on plant and tools 12,600. Cash received from contractee 2,56,000. Creditors 16,240. Land and building at cost 14,800. Plant and tools at cost 10,400. Bank balance 9,000. Contract number 903. About this contract, material issued 1,20,000, direct labor 1,66,000, direct expenses 8,000, plant and tools at cost 32,000. Direct expenses 8,000, direct labor 1,66,000, plant and tools at cost 32,000. Total is 3,60,200, 3,60,200. Additional informations. Contract number 903 having a contract price of 4,80,000 was started on 1/1/2003. Contractee pays 80% of the work certified in cash to the contractor. Cost of work done since certification is estimated to be 3,200. Then after the trial balance was extracted on 31st December 2003, plant costing rupees 6,400 was returned to stores. Materials at site on that date were valued at rupees 6,000. Provisions are to be made for substandard cost amounting rupees 1,200 on contract number 903 and for depreciation of plant and tools 12.5% on cost. Prepare contract account number 903 showing the computation of profit if any for which credit may be given in 2003. Prepare the balance sheet of construction company as on that date. So for this we have to prepare a contract account by taking into account all these, and again we are asked to prepare the balance sheet also. Since a trial balance is given, trial balance total is also given, so we can prepare a balance sheet also. And again we have to calculate the amount that is to be transferred to the profit and loss account of the year 2003. Then whether the contract is completed or not, that information is not there. So we can assume that it is an incompleted contract. For the year 2003, we have to prepare a contract account and the balance sheet. So contract account, contract number 903 for the year ending 31st December 2003 is an account debit credit, particulars amount. So it starts with the direct materials, 2 materials issued. Materials issued to the contract 1,20,000. To direct labor 1,66,000. To direct expense 8,000. To plant at site plant at cost, that means here plant issued to the contract 32,000. Then to cost on substandard work, this nothing but the provision for contingency. Cost of substandard work or a provision for substandard work. So Here he makes a provision or reserve for substandard work, the amount in rupees 1,200. Then by plant return to stores. Plant return to stores, it is given in the problem. How much? 6,400 inner column right. Since the date of return is not given, we assume that it is returned at the end, and we will assume that since the plant is returned at the end, we have to charge, or the depreciation is charged less depreciation. 12.5% of 6,400 is 800. Now cost of plant return is 5,600. By material at site, it is also given. Material at site 6,000. Now plant issued 32,000. Plant returned 6,400. Now again we have to see, is there any plant at site? By plant at site, see, issued how much? 32,000 less returned is 6,400. Now balance is 25,600. So on that, less depreciation 12.5%. Depreciation is on original cost, that is total 32,000 worth of plant. For that, depreciation is 3,200. 3,200. Since we have deducted this amount here, 32,000 minus 6,400, so depreciation is 3,200. If you take $6,400 minus 800 depreciation, then you can take only the net amount 25,600. Here we have taken 6,400 without deducting the depreciation. Without deducting the depreciation we have taken, so 3,200 is the total depreciation. Amount is now 22,400. Then by work in progress, work certified first. %80 of the cash received. 80% of work certified is equal to 2,56,000. 100% of work certified is equal to 3 lakh. Is it right? 3,20,000. 3,20,000 plus work uncertified 3,200 is given. So total work in progress is 3,23,000. 3,23,200. Total is grand total 3,57,000. 3,57,000 1000 is the total. The difference is known as the notional profit. To notional profit carried down 30,000 by notional profit brought down 30,000. Total is 30,000. Here to profit and loss account to work in progress account or reserve account 16,000, then 14,000. Total is 30,000. See, here we have calculated the percentage of work certified to contract price. Percentage of work certified to contract price. See, for 4,80,000, work certified is 3,20,000. 100% means how much? Sorry, for 100, rate means here percentage or rate. 100 means, or for 100 how much? It is 66.67%. That means here above 50%. If the rate of work certified on contract price is above 50%, then 2/3 of the notional profit has to be transferred to the profit and loss account by taking into account the formula. So notional profit multiplied by 2/3 into cash received divided by work certified. So 30,000 multiplied by 2/3 into, this is the cash received 2,56,000. This is the work certified 3,20,000. Amount is here 16,000. So we transferred 16,000 to profit and loss account, then remaining 14,000 to the reserve account. Remaining 14,000 to the reserve account. So depreciation we are asked to charge on original cost. See, original cost ಮೇಲೆ depreciation ಹಾಕಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ವಿ ನಾವು on cost. ಸರಿ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೇವೆ. So now preparing the balance sheet. See here a trial balance is given, so you can prepare a balance sheet also. So let us see how the balance sheet here appears in the balance sheet of Construction Company Limited. So liabilities, share capital. It is given in the problem 70,360. Then we take the profit and loss account. Profit and loss account, opening balance 115,000. Take it inner column. Plus profit of 2,003. This year we have transferred 16,000. 16,000. So amount is 21,000. From this, less depreciation on plant. Depreciation, see where the system is here providing or making provision for depreciation is there. They provide for depreciation. Provision is made always out of the profits of the company. So this year for the old plant or existing that is given in the balance sheet, we have to provide or make a provision. So less depreciation provision on plant. This is on 10,400 given in the balance sheet. 12.5% is equal to 1,300. So after deducting this, 19,700. So this is the profit and loss account balance, 19,700. Then provision, a separate provision has to be shown in the Liability side, provision. Provision for depreciation. In the old balance sheet also a provision is there. Old provision. Old provision is 12,600. Plus this year we have made a provision. For this year also we have to make the provision. So already we have made. Either you can take this, then again for the remaining plant, or otherwise you can take the entire 10,400 plant given in the balance sheet, plus this year's 32,000 worth plant we have charged the depreciation into 12.5%. So total provision that is to be made in the current year is 5,300. So now the provision balance is 17,900. 17,900. Then one more provision we made, provision for substandard. For substandard work, that is 1,200. Then one more liability, creditors in the balance sheet, that is in the trial balance, 16,240. See, share capital given in the trial balance, profit and loss account first take given in the trial balance, to that add current year's profit as per the contract account 16,000, total is 21,000. Again to that we have to add the provision, depreciation provision on plant, that is on plant means here already given in the trial balance 1,300, totally 19,700. So sorry, we have to deduct this 1,300, so 19,700. Then provision for depreciation, a new provision, old provision 12,600 plus new provision, that is 10,400, then 5,000, 32,000, 12.5%, 5,300, totally 17,900. So provision for substandard work 1,300, creditors 16,240 given the trial balance. Then assets, land and building given in the trial balance 14,800. Then the bank balance given in the trial balance 9,000. Then plant and tools asset, plant and tools first old 10,400, again here returned 6,400, return to stores. Then plant at site, add plant at site 32,000 minus 6,400 returned. So plant at site is 25,600. Now the total worth of plant is 42,400. So here we need not deduct the depreciation because depreciation provision is there. Provision is there. Provision ಇರುವ ಕಾರಣ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಿದ ಕಾರಣ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಡಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ರಾಂಗ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. Then work in progress. Work certified 3,20,000. Work uncertified 3,200. Totally 3,23,200 less reserve 14,000. Now 3,09,200 less cash received 2,56,000. Balance is 53,200. Then material at site, last one. Material at site 6,000. If you add all these, you will get 1,25,400, 1,25,400. So here land, that is given the balance sheet, bank balance, that is given the trial balance. Trial balance, both are trial balance items. Plant and tools, trial balance 10,400 plus returned stores 6,400 plus plant at site 13,000 minus 6,400, 25,600, totally 42,400 worth of plant is there. Work in progress, 3,20,000 plus work uncertified 3,200, and from this we deduct the reserve and cash received. So total work in progress is 53,200. Now material at site, it is also there 6,000, totally 1,25,400. So this is how a full-fledged balance sheet is prepared. So that's over.